Hi, welcome to episode 4 of the Wells Group's new build series. Today I'm excited to showcase this beautiful Elmwood home from Inman Homes here in Brooksville, Florida. Our goal with this series is to showcase local new construction homes in Florida's Nature Coast that's ready right now. I'm giving you a sneak peek at what is currently on the market. I'm Michelle Wells, your local new construction and real estate expert. Stay tuned as we explore this Elmwood model. So we have another model home that we're doing today. This is called the Elmwood. Welcome in. Check out this porch and the front door. Michelle Wells with People's Trust Realty, the Wells Group, coming to you with another new construction home here in Hernando County, Florida. This is an inland home. Let's take a look at this beautiful new construction home and all the quality it has. Alright, so we are in the kitchen now. We have this good sized island here. It has plenty of space. They've got a few bar stools, as well as having this large counter space that is the standard granite countertop in all inland homes. And so there's plenty of space to do work on the counter. Coming up here to the beautiful pendant lights that are glass and chrome that adds some elegance and style to this room. Alright, so we have this beautiful under-mounted sink here that has 2 tubs, so you can do your dishes if you need to, while you get to engage with your guests and watch TV and still be able to enjoy time with the family. So this island has a dishwasher right on it right here, so it makes it convenient for you to do your dishes. And then we're going to come around here and look at the appliances. This home has standard Whirlpool appliances, stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. It also has this shaker cabinets and the brushed steel knobs, the brushed steel hardware. And the shaker cabinets here is a dark wood black tone, like an ebony, I believe it would be called. So, and it's 42-inch cabinets. So let's come around here and look at the pantry here. So we have this 2-panel door here and the brushed steel hardware on the handles coming into the generous pantry here in the kitchen. It's a corner pantry, plenty of space in there. So let's come over here and look at the stove. Now here in inland homes, it's standard to have natural gas ranges. People like the natural gas because they actually cook more evenly and quickly. So this is pretty nice, a gourmet type stove range. It has the undermount oven, of course, and above it here we have the stainless steel oven hood. Behind it though, we have this glass gray backsplash. It's a gray glass backsplash that really blends the countertop and the black and the white of the walls. The black of the cabinets, the countertop, and the white of the walls. Alright, so next to the kitchen, this is the dining room here, which is right next to the entrance of the sliding glass door to the standard Lenai on this house. And it has a stunning view. On the other side, we have the living room. Let's go into the first bedroom now. Alright, so if you come this way, we can see the large walk-in closet. space in here to have your shoes, your clothes, even a dresser if need be. Let's come on into the master bathroom. First thing here is the water closet. That's the first thing we come to. And then we're gonna go over here to the shower. Great sized room. You do not need to have a shower curtain. Plenty of space. It has a little drop down. So we are going to come into this other bedroom that is sharing the bathroom. It could also be a great office. Let's take a look. Okay, so coming out of the garage here, we have this nice mudroom area, so you can put your belongings when you first come in, and it's right beside the laundry room, so let's take a look at that. Alright, so this is the guest bath. Now keep in mind, this bathroom no longer has the Formica countertops. All the countertops are also granite as a standard. Coming into the other guest bedroom at the front of the house. This is a cute little room right here. Has a standard closet, a wall closet here, but plenty of space and lots of light from these windows. and it offers 1,698 square feet of living space. And it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage with a flex space, and that could be used as a 3rd bedroom. It does have a closet in there if you'd rather do that. It's just ready for your personal touch. So let me know in the comments what you really liked about this model, and also in the comments if you like the video, and comment on the video. It really bumps the algorithm. So if there's any new communities that you're interested in that you want us to record, let us know in the comments and we can do that for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can continue making these types of videos, and I hope it brings value to you in your home buying experience. Bye!